Modern life got you down? Discover the secret to feeling energized and balanced. Meet the Gaia Grounding Mat, your ticket to a healthier, more balanced life. Our hectic lifestyles, filled with endless screen time and sitting, leave us drained and out of sync. The Gaia Grounding Mat helps neutralize your body's electrical charge by reconnecting you with Earth's natural energy, just like walking barefoot on grass. Imagine reducing stress, sleeping better, improving circulation, and boosting your energy, all with one simple mat. It's like bringing the healing power of nature indoors. Short on time? No worries. Just sit, stand, or sleep on the mat and let it work its magic. Feel the difference within days. Say goodbye to stress and hello to a revitalized you. Bring grounding into your life with the Gaia Grounding Mat. Reconnect with nature. Feel the difference. Visit our website to learn more and get your Gaia Grounding Mat today.